Hi, this is problem 15 of the AMC 12A. What is the minimum number of digits to the right of the decimal point needed to express the fraction large number divided by 2 to the 26 divided by 5 to the fourth as a decimal? So I'm not really sure how dividing by 5 works or dividing by 2 works at this point, but I do know what dividing by 10 does. So I see an opportunity to take some of the factors of 2 and move them over to the factors of 5 to create this factors of 10. So let me do that. And let me write this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and take 2 to the fourth and move it over with 5 to the fourth. And that creates 2 to the 22nd times 10 to the fourth. So now I know what 10 to the fourth does. That just simply moves the decimal point over by 4 positions. I'm still not quite sure what 2 to the 22nd does. So I get the sense that dividing the top number by 2 to create extra decimal places doesn't have much to do with the digits all the way to the left here. It really has to do with the rightmost digit, the digit 9. And in this case, 9 being an odd number, that seems to be key because when we divide an odd number by 2, we create an extra decimal place with a 5 at the end. So I think I understand how that works, but let's experiment and see how that works in detail. So let's take 2 and divide it into an odd number. Let's just pick an easy odd number, 1. And 1 divided by 2 creates a 0.5. Let's do it again. Divide by 2, 5, 25. Let's do it again. 0. That's 125. And dividing by 2 again, 0.0625. And we can keep going if we need to, but already I see a very useful pattern. With each division by 2, we take the 5 that it's at the very end here, and it basically splits up into a 2 and a 5 and creates one extra decimal place. Here again, the 5 divided by 2 splits up into a 2, 5 with the addition of a decimal place. The 5 splits up into 2, 5 with the addition of a decimal place. So it looks like when we divide an odd number by 2, we either create a 5 or split a 5 into a 2, 5 and create an extra decimal place. So it's pretty clear now that the 2 to the 22nd is going to create 22 extra decimal places, and we know that the 10 to the fourth will just create another 4 decimal places for a total of 26 created decimal places for answer C.